this is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. My channel is all about how to empower people to live their dreams through entrepreneurship. We teach people how to make money during these hard financial times, and we show them different vehicles that they can use to earn and make a substantial living after the COVID-19. The company that we're going to do a review on today, because our channel does reviews on companies, tools, products, and money-making tips. So the company that we're going to review today is a Forex trading company called Tradera. Now, right now, we're looking at the corporate website of Tradera. And Tradera, I'd like to tell you a little bit about Tradera. Tradera was founded in the spring of 2019, and Tradera is a Forex trading educational platform. Right here on their corporate website, they state that Tradera is a financial firm designed to empower investors by offering world-renowned trading education services. They are dedicated to their members and prepared to assist you in learning how to navigate the financial markets and learn how to trade Forex, and also they have other currency. But today's review is going to be on their Forex platform. Now this right here, again, like I said, is their corporate website. So let's talk a little bit about Tradera. Now, Tradera is where the opportunity meets integrity. It was founded by two ambitious traders. The company's mission statement is that it focuses on educating the masses on the power of the financial market and providing a platform for their members to achieve financial freedom. The vision of Tradera is to operate a platform that promotes financial and character growth. They specialize in revolutionary entrepreneurship by providing a vehicle for success and professional mentorship in this industry so that you can have success. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the founders of Tradera and also tell you a little bit about the history. As I stated earlier, Tradera was founded in 2019. The CEO is a Kody and the CEO, founder, and CFO is Eastan. Now, these young men are awesome in the Forex industry, and they have made millions of dollars and have a huge portfolio that they're opening up to teach new people how to learn how to trade in the Forex market. Now, Tradera, the company that they started, is a Forex multi-level marketing company that was launched in 2019. Their products are Forex education, trading alerts, market forecasts, live trading session, fundamental analysis, corporate events, and of course they have the that's talking about in the industry is their referral program. So this right here is the two founders of Tradera. They're Kody and Eastan. So again, if you have found this video, evidently you're interested in learning about Forex or learning about the company called Tradera. So we're going to get into a good review today of this company so you can make a good sound business decision if this is a company that you would like to get involved with to learn from their trading platform on how to trade in the Forex market. And also they have an excellent money-making business opportunity attached to that platform. So what I'd like to do now is take you in the back office of the Tradera office so you can learn a little bit about their products and their cost. Now, back here, we're in the back office of Tradera. So when you sign up as a Tradera member, it's only $99 to sign up, and then $99 a month for all the education that we're going to show you today. Now, when you initially come aboard, this is the page that will show up. Then you'll put your login information, and then you'll hit the login button. and then they'll take you back to your back office. So once you log in, this is your back office, and as I stated, their product is $99 a month. So everything I show you today is $99 a month. It's no upgrade, it's no add-ons. Everything that they offer, every service is just a one fee, and that's $99 a month. And then they also have this program where if you want to get your studies in the Forex industry on their platform for free, you sign up 3 people who want to learn how to trade in Forex, and you will get your membership for free. So they do have a program called the 3 for free, and everything that you're going to see today that I'm showing you, you would get that for $99. And then if you decide to show 3 other people how they can learn Forex, then you get your platform for free, and they can do the same thing if they would like. So let's start with their trading alerts. Now this right here, they have trading alerts where they give calls out and tell you where to buy, where to enter. Are you doing a buy? Are you doing a sell? They give you your stop loss entry, where you exit out of your trade. They tell you the different levels to take profit, because a lot of people industry teaches you to take 3 different levels profits. They tell you where to enter into the market, and as you see, all these trades are in progress, and they give you the different currencies that you're going to be trading in when they give you the call signals. Now this right here, their win to loss ratio, they have won 428 pips, and I mean they have won 428 where they have entered into the market, and they have lost 210 times. Now their total pip earnings is right here plus 21,578. So they are far more in the being profitable in their trades. So their win to loss is greater. The win is greater than their loss. So it's an excellent platform that you can learn how to enter in the market by them giving you trade signals to enter in. Okay, now their educational platform, they have different currencies that you can trade in. They do have the Forex market. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, they have trading and training in cryptocurrency. If you're interested in learning the commodities, they have trading and education platform in commodities. If you're interested in learning indices, they have training and an educational platform in that, and investment platform also. And if you want to trade in the stocks, they have an educational platform for that and a way that you can learn to invest in the stocks. And they have technical analysis. Okay, but what we're going to talk about today in this review is their Forex platform. So this is all for that one price that I was telling you about, that $99, no upgrades, no add-ons. Everything that you're learning how to trade in all these industries is only one fee, $99. I think that is awesome compared to a lot of these platforms that are out there. So that's why I decided to do a review on Tradera, is because it's getting a lot of buzz out there in the industry. And after I got into their back office and saw what they had to offer for just $99 a month, it's just a slam dunk of something that you should take a serious look at. Now let's look at their Forex trading platform. Now their educational platform for you to be able to trade in Forex, you have different levels where they'll start training you. You have the introduction into Forex. You're going to have Forex terminology classes where you learn how their terminology in Forex. You have a class where you learn all about the Forex industry, because the Forex industry is well over a $6 trillion industry, and Forex has been here for over 200 years. They teach you the Forex trading basics, and also they teach you how to enter into the markets by charting, learning how to chart, and then they also show you how to work the platforms that you were going to be entering your trades on, and that's the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5. They give you a tutorial on that. Now, the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5 is an app that you put on your cell phone where you can place your trades in Forex on a on your application on your cell phone. Now, that right here is awesome. So they also have a training on that. Now, again, like I said, all this is for a one-time fee of $99. Now, that's your educational platform. Let's look at their live trading section. Yes, they have live trading sections. I mean, sessions all for this one-time price of $99 a month. Okay, you learn how to trade from Sunday to Thursday. Their host and trader instructor is Derek Conway. I mean, he is a legend in this industry of Forex trading, and he is the person who will be teaching you your live trade sessions. So you see, they have constant live trade sessions, okay? And all this is for that one-time fee. They also educate you on the fundamental analysis strategy, and that's where you enter into the Forex trade based on what's going on in the news around you. So they have access where they'll where you can look at what's going on in the news, and you can help base your trades in the Forex market on the news, if that's the way that you want to start your Forex investment process. Okay, now their market forecast. This right here is where they tell you in the different currency what's going on in that currency to give you an indication of what's going on. Just like here, the United States dollar and the Canadian currency, it says that it's been a bullish, so that means that the market is going down. So it gives you heads up on that. It'll show you charts to indicate what is the progression of this currency and what the history of this currency has been. Now, this right here is just so awesome. This educational platform, I mean, I really can't say too much negative about it because it's so much that you're getting for just $99 a month. What I can't get over is their win to loss ratio in these trades. They have 428 wins and 210 loss, but right here they have accumulated over 21,000 pips. I mean, this is just such an awesome platform, and I'm so glad that I can be able to present this to you, because if you are out there and you are a new trade person looking to learn the Forex industry, I think that Tradera has the perfect platform for you to look at. Now, you might be interested in starting a business opportunity. They also have a business compensation plan attached to sharing this awesome platform. So it's two ways that you can make money with Tradera. You can learn how to trade and just make money through trading, or you can learn how to invite other people to learn what you're learning, and you can make money off of those referrals. So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is a complete review on Tradera and their back office and what you get for a low monthly price of just $99. And this is something that I think is so beneficial in these times during the COVID-19, is where that you are being able to put yourself in the position where you can learn a skill that you can get paid for every day, and it doesn't matter what is happening around you in the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, this right here is my review on Tradera. I hope that you have found some value with this review. I really haven't. At this time, what I'd like to do is get into some of the pros and cons. Some of the pros with Tradera's platform is, like I've been saying all through this review, is that it's just $99 for everything that you see here, and it's a continuing education platform. They're adding new classes daily, monthly, and no, your fee and tuition does not go up. It's just $99. They have a 3 for free, again, and that's you come in as a student, and if you want your classes for free, all you have to do is just refer 3 of your friends who want to learn how to trade in the Forex industry, and you can get your class for free, nothing, no fee, no $99 a month, and you can teach your friends to do the same thing, and they can get their classes for free. Another thing is that this Forex training, you see they have an excellent platform for you to be trained in the Forex industry, and I think it's really geared toward beginners. So if you are a beginner Forex trader, I think that this will be a phenomenal platform for you to learn on, and most importantly, this company is totally debt free. Now, some of the cons that I could see is that, anything that you do when you're trading is a risk factor. So yes, it is risk in trading in the Forex market, but I think that is offset by the training and the mentorship that you will get from this platform. It is also has a MLM program attached to it, so anytime that you have an MLM program, if you opt, you don't have to, but if you opt to enter into the MLM side of this platform, that for that you're going to have to learn how to attract and recruit other people who are interested in the business. So one of the suggestions that I have for you, if you're interested in learning how to gain leads for your business, I think YouTube is one of the best platforms to be able to market your product and be able to attract daily leads to whatever offer that you're presenting on your YouTube platform. Just like today, I'm giving a review on Tradera. Now, if you would like to learn more about how to attract people through learning how to market YouTube, look at the bottom of this video and you would see a link that tells you, explains to you how you can learn how to start a YouTube channel and learn how to market YouTube. If you're interested in learning more about Tradera, there are a link below this video that tells you how to get involved with their platform, and that's at the bottom of this video. So ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, I hope that you found some value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell so you'll be notified when I release my daily videos. And if you have any questions about this video or anything that you need to know from me, please leave it in the comment section because I do reply to all my comments. And again, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below. Feel free to take a look. If you have any questions, I have my contact information below. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Again, click that bell icon to be notified when I release my videos. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to provide you with valuable information that can help you still live your dreams during these hard COVID-19 times. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Take care, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next review.